Top 5 Best Laptop Charger. The 5 best laptop charger in present time. We are going to check out 5 best laptop charger quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I try to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, -45W 19.5V 2.31A AC Adapter Laptop Charger. Price, $12.98 and free returns. Brand ESC style, wattage 45 watts, input, AC 100-240V, 50 to 60 Hz output, 19.5V 2.31A45 with 3-prong connector, 4.5mm x 3.0mm, refer to picture. Number 2, -19.5V 3.33A AC Adapter Charger. Price, $14.99 and free returns. Compatible devices: PC, tablets, laptops. Compatible phone models: HP, brand alike Brian. Number 3, TKDY 19V Universal Laptop Charger, 110-240V AC to DC Power Supply Adapter. Price, $19.99 and free returns. The 19V 3.42 AC power adapter, it replacement for most 19V equipment, 65W Power Max. After sales guarantee, 18 months warranty and easy to get customer service. Number 4, -90W Universal AC Laptop Charger Power Adapter. Price, $21.90 and free returns. Brand Belker. This universal laptop charger is compatible with 40W, 45W, 65W, 90W laptop power adapter. Please do not charge laptops over 90W. Number 5, -88.8W H65 watts portable laptop charger with AC outlet. Price, $79.99 and free returns. Color black. Brand Sinku. Recommended uses for product: laptop, cellular phone, iPhone, tablet, connector type USB. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.